Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, we are going to see a quick technique with which you can remove the background of an image in Wix. So for example, you have inserted or changed the image and you have uploaded a media from your computer as I am doing right now. But when you inserted this and chosen an image, it shows you this background that you need to remove. So what you can do is just click on this edit image, and from here you can just go to this cutout feature. Just click on that and click on auto cutout, and that's all you have to do. And you can see how easily it removed the background. And once we click on save, it will remove the background right away. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.